Introducing our best Turban Towel Microfiber Twist and Loop. Turban Towels Twist Hair Quick Dry Microfiber Bath Hair Wrap Cap Hat. Made from super absorbent microfiber. This lightweight and soft hair wrap is designed to quickly wick away moisture without rubbing or damaging your hair. Crafted with ultra-absorbent microfiber, this towel absorbs water faster than regular towels, reducing drying time and frizz without the need for heat. Experience the ultimate convenience with our Turban Towels Twist Hair, designed for quick and efficient drying. Hair towel equipped with button and loop which stops it from unraveling. You can bend your head forward and let your hair flow naturally. You can get dressed, apply makeup, check email, and watch movies while drying hair without worrying about the head towel wrap falling off. This lightweight and soft towel helps to reduce frizz, minimize hair damage, and cut down drying time. Buy 2 packs of Turban Towel, only $3.99. Also buy 3 packs, only $6.49. A lightweight, perfectly fitted hair turban. There are no readjustments and no slippage. Easy one-hand lock button design assures no slipping or dripping. Your hands stay free and you can move about your routine with ease. Plus, no heavy towel on your head means no neck pain or straining under its weight. Great for daily use, travel, spa, gym, pool, and makeup routines. Just wrap, twist, and tuck with a secure elastic loop, no slipping or falling off, even while you move around. Helps reduce heat damage by shortening blow-dry time. Won't strain your neck like bulky towels. This hair wrap is soft, breathable, and stays securely in place. Upgrade your hair care routine with this must-have microfiber turban towel. So, wrap your hair in comfort and convenience with the Turban Towel Hair Wrap Cap, the stylish, gentle, and quick-drying solution for every hair care routine. Leave us your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.